This 2016 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 3150 Reds is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey 08215 and is offered for sale by Whitehorse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dutchman is 35 feet 10 inches in length and features sleeps 8, skylight, awning, refrigerator, microwave, DVD player, carbon monoxide detector, water heater, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, slide-out, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear entertainment. The unloaded weight of this 2016 Dutchmen Aspen Trail 3150 Reds is 7,396 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.